Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to learn Excel from beginner to advanced. You can use ChatGPT to learn anything you want in Excel if you know how to use it. So let's assume you have a problem with Excel, with a problem in Excel like adding zeros to phone numbers that have already been typed. Let's assume you want to add zero to a phone number to phone numbers that you've typed, and you all know that in Excel, once you type in number starting with zero, Excel will cut out the zero and leave the remaining numbers. So let's assume you want to do that. Let's come to the chat section here, see how to add zero to phone numbers already typed in Excel. So remember to put it in Excel, because if you type how to add zero to phone numbers that have already been typed, it's just going to give you the general input. Once I put Excel, it knows that, okay, you are asking a question that is related to Excel. Let me press enter. Let's see. So you can see it has given me, first of all, it has told me the function I'm going to use in using the ampersand operator. It has also given me an example. So you will see that if I follow this example that it has given me, I will get the right result, exactly the right result. Let's see which level in the spreadsheet. So it's going to come with an apology, but most times it's going to do it for me. So you can see it has arranged it like a spreadsheet here. So you can see it. So in column A does not have zero, column B has zero. So it's telling you this is what I did in column B to add the zero. So let me ask it, is there other ways of adding zero rather zero to already five phone numbers? So let's see what it's going to say. Or are there other ways? Sorry. So if you look right here, it has given me the first one, which is text to column. It has given me left function. It has given me replace function. It has given me custom formatting. This is the one I was looking for, custom formatting. So let me tell you, can show sample how to use custom formatting to add zero to phone. So there's no problem to use custom formatting. So you can see it's bringing out, it's now giving us the steps. After giving us the steps, it is now giving us the steps. So if I'm not satisfied with this, I'll ask it to show using the spreadsheet. So it has given me an example here of how to do it. But I'm not satisfied with this. I want it to show using a spreadsheet. Show using a spreadsheet. Okay, let's say show level of using a spreadsheet, and also show the formulas, show the formulas, show the above using spreadsheet and also show the formula used. So it's going to have what I want, it's going to give me what I want. So these are phone numbers without zero. So you need to add zero to the beginning of the phone number in column A. You follow the following steps. Now this is a basic example of what you can use it to do. So if you follow whatever it has given you here, you will discover that it is exactly correct. So you can see what it has done. So let's assume I don't know Excel, I heard about referencing. So I want to ask if what is cell reference. Let's see what is a cell reference. Give 3 examples. You can see, give 3 examples. So you can see so it has given me the 3 types of referencing. Let's assume I want it to using a multiplication table. Explain mixed cell reference. Let's wait for it. So it's explaining now, but I don't want to explain about using spreadsheet to wait. Level 1, 2, 12. So let's see, it has given me that, it has shown me the first formula, and we all know what to do. So this is an example of Excel reference. So let me enter this now. Explain the above using a spreadsheet to calculate the multiplication table from 1 to 12. So let's see what it's gonna do. This is 1 to 12. Yes, yeah, yes. Let's see, you can see it. After that, it's going to give you, it's going to write out the formula for you. If it doesn't write out the formula, I'm going to ask it. So you can see that everything it gives you is very simple. You can always use whatever it has given you here. If you are not satisfied, you ask it for more. It's going to give you more and more and more and more of what you want. So let's see, and that's it's at 10. Very soon it's going to hit 12. So done. Here's the magic. So if you look at what it has given you and understand it very well, you'll get a clearer picture of what is supposed to be done. So that's it. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section.